Hi, this is Jeff Sedlick of the Plus Coalition. We're going to talk about creating an account. As you can see, we're at the Plus Registry homepage at plusregistry.org. There are two ways to get into creating an account, both of which are free. You can click on this big red button right here where it says Join Plus Today, Become a Member for Free. That'll allow you to create your account, or you can come up here and click on Create an Account. We'll do that. You can see here that creating an account is a three-step process. You create your user account, you attach it to a business account, and don't worry, if you don't have a business, you can just use your name as your business name. And then step 3 is to set your listing preferences. There is no step 4, you'll just move on to a confirmation after completing step 3. You can see over here in the top right-hand corner there is a question mark, and that will provide help at any time. There's a detailed description of each and every field in the registration process and throughout the registry, so that should you have any questions as you're working, this can become a ready resource to understand and move on. Let's create an account. We'll call this Jeff User. Now we're entering our email address twice so that the system can compare them to find out if there's any typos, so that it can make sure that you're going to get the confirmation email which is necessary to open your account. After typing in your email address, you need to create a username. This username cannot be changed after you create it. It can be 3 to 30 characters. We'll call it JeffUser321. Then create a password. When creating your password, you should follow the secure password tip at the bottom of the screen. Now we're going to check this update box. It's optional, but we suggest that you check it. If you check it, we'll be able to send you emails that update you on the status of the Plus registry, such as system status emails, and as well, when we add new features, we'll notify you. We will not let anybody else use your email address, and you will not receive any spam from Plus. And should you ever want to change your email preferences, you can from within the registry. Next, you're going to want to read the Plus registry terms of use, and if you agree to them, check the box to agree to the terms of use and press Next to move on. Now we're at step 2, business name. It is possible that your business is already in the Plus registry database, even if you haven't visited the Plus registry before. So it's a good idea to look up your business first. I'm just going to enter the first few letters of my name. See, there's these other Jeffs in the Plus registry, and let's say that none of these are me. I'm Jeff User. So I'm going to click on No Match. Click to create a new business account, which is free. When you do that, it gives you some additional fields, which are all optional, except for city, country, state, main business email, and your work email. It's a good idea to fill out all of these fields because these fields will be the information that is displayed in the Plus registry should you wish to have a listing. But for right now, we're just going to enter the minimum fields. We're in Los Angeles. And that's it. Going to click Next. And that takes us to step 3, the last step, which is set your listing preferences. Now, not all users will want to be listed in the Plus registry, but I do. So let's have a look here. It says that the Plus member name is Jeff. Enable a free listing in the Plus registry for this member. We're going to say yes. If we don't want to be listed, but we just want to have access to the features of the registry, we can click no, and I won't end up being in the registry. If I want to be in the registry, but I would like to hide my information so that others can't see my email address and phone number, I can check this box, and Plus will display a contact form so that Other people can look me up and contact me via the form, but will not see my detailed contact information. Now, I don't really care about that, so I'm going to leave that unchecked. That was for my business. The second part is for me. Do I want to list myself in the registry? Yes. Do I want to hide my email address and phone number? Let's say yes. Then we press finish, and we're done. Now, it wasn't that easy. So, in the middle of your confirmation screen here, you see a big upgrade button, and Plus membership is free. Your Plus listing is free. Searching the Plus registry is free. We'd appreciate if you consider upgrading to supporting membership. Without supporting members, there would be no registry and no Plus. Many of the participants in Plus pay a small amount to become a supporting member, and in exchange, you get a Plus member ID, you get enhanced Plus registry listings, you get the ability to have custom member IDs, and as well, you get the right to store image and license records in the registry and other benefits. So please consider upgrading. After completing your registration, I encourage you to explore the sub-navigation area right here under the main navigation bar. You'll see a Change Account link. This is very convenient. If you have multiple businesses in the Plus registry, and you can have multiple businesses, as many as you wish, you can use this link to switch between them without having to log out and log back in. Quite convenient. The main area for managing your account is called, guess what? Manage Account. Clicking on that, it takes us into the Manage Account area. And as you can see, there are numerous links here for managing your account, and I do encourage you to explore these and learn what they do. And again, in the right corner of each screen, you'll see a help button that explains the use of each field. Thanks very much, and look forward to seeing you at the Plus registry.